Hey guys, okay, so here's a little bit of help. Had somebody kind of request some help on section 12.1 with circles and arcs. I'm on page 857. This is section 12.1. It says, what is the measure of each arc in circle C? Okay, well, as long as you have a central angle, that means an angle with its vertex in the center. The arc, an arc is basically like, for example, think of it like a piece of pizza. The arc would be like your pizza crust, okay? So arc PR, since this angle is 77, measure of arc PR is also 77. A central angle, you know, its arc has the same degree measure. It says measure of arc RS. Okay, well look, this is, if you drew a line like kind of in a map, well it's there, but if you kind of like look at that right there, that's from P or R, like from P all the way to S is half of the circle, right? Half of a circle is a semicircle, which is 180 degrees. Well, we already know this is 77. So on your calculator, if you do 180 minus 77, you'll get 103 for that angle, which means this arc here is also 103 degrees, arc RS. Same thing on this side. This other side from P all the way to S this way is 180. So if you do 180 minus 28, which is this, degree measure here, that gives you 152 here, which means this, arc is also 152 degrees. Okay, so once you kind of have everything filled in, you can answer your questions. Measure of arc PR, of course, is 77 degrees. Measure of arc RS, that would be 103 degrees. Okay, measure of arc PRQ. Okay, so to figure out what they're talking about there, PRQ, I'm going to go from P to R all the way to Q. So that's from here all the way to here. So I'm going to have to add up 77 plus 103 plus 28. 73 plus 1... Okay, Hunter, hold on. Sorry, y'all. 77 plus 103 plus 28, that's 208. Okay, and just kind of like that, measure of... Let me do this last one real quick. Measure of arc PQR. Okay, so P to Q to R. That's basically the entire circle except for 77. So what I would do, I would just say 360 minus 77 and do it like that. And I got 283. So anyway, hope that helps a little bit.